Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to blur WhatsApp web using WA Contact Extractor. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google Chrome and search for wacontactextractor.com and then hit on Add to Chrome. After that, install the extension and make sure you pin the extension in the Chrome toolbar. Once the extension is installed, open WhatsApp web in your browser. Click on the WA Contact Extractor icon to open the extension. As it gets open, click on the third feature, that is privacy. Then comes the privacy section. You can see that I have blurred out profile pictures, group usernames, last message preview, and you are not able to see any of it. So we can guarantee you 100% privacy when it comes to screen sharing or anything. You can see if I untick profile pictures, you are able to see my profile pictures.